What you ready to do now?
I think so.
You what? You want the light off?
Yeah.
How'd you learn that? Did you see me do that earlier?
Yeah.
You almost got it. Try again. Good push. Good boy. You saw me do that earlier, you little turkey. I didn't realize you were watching that close. Almost. You almost got it.
Oh.
Hold it. Hold it right here.
Okay.
Hold it right there and do it. Almost, baby. Here, you got. Can you put your hand right here?
Okay.
Yeah, now do it. Oh, almost. Try one more time.
Okay.
Oh, close. That's okay. You got it turned off. That's a good boy. Yeah, you can use that to turn it off. You're good at that. Get, Sparks. What, baby? What do you want? Come here. Oh, what do you want, sweet pea? What? Okay, I'm coming.
Yes. Hi.
Here, put that right here so you don't get hit or you don't hit anything. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Climb, climb.
Yay.
All right. All right. All right. Whoa.
Come.
This way, baby. Climb, climb.
Yeah.
All right. You did it. Oh, don't climb that way, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Do you usually do this with your mom? Oh. You do it all the time? Okay. Look like you're used to it. Good job. Oh. Good job. Oh. Yeah. Oh, what, baby? Let me see. Oh. Oh. I think it might, maybe you rubbed it a little too hard. Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Did you get a little bit of a rug burn?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we should put it to rest. You want to give it a rest? Yeah.
Yeah, you might. Oh.
What are you trying to get out of there, baby? I can help. What you want?
Clothes.
Oh, what's wrong with the clothes you got on?
Clothes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think those are dirty, baby. Let me smell it. I'll let you wear it if it doesn't stink. Let me smell. I don't think so. Ew, that's dirty, baby. Dirty.
Mommy. Yes.
Do you not like what you got on?
Yeah. Mommy.
Alright.
Mommy.
Well, I guess if you were wanting to change, I don't know. Do you know? Oh, you putting those on your head? Here, let me smell them, baby.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you can probably wear these. Okay, are you dirty? Here, let's get you. I guess that means something's going on. Let me... Alright, come here, baby. Let's get you. Did you poop or something?
No.
Okay, let me smell. I don't think you pooped. Did you? You want me to check your diaper, baby?
No.
You want to change your pants?
No. I'm not.
Okay.
Again. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get you right here. There we go. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Did I trip you? Bring over here. Get, Sparks. I do not have time. Here, baby, bring it this way. That way you don't fall away from me. Alright. There you go. But baby, you got a rug burn last time. You gonna be careful? Remember? What, baby? What do you want? You what? Okay, get in your car. You mean get it out? Okay. Who gave you this car? Did Aunt Beth and Uncle Richard? Ready? Watch your feet, baby. Yeah, look at Preston. He's driving his daddy's cop car, huh? Can you pedal it? All right. Excuse me. All right. Mm-hmm. You be driving you back to its parking spot. Ready? Lift your feet up. Hey, is this your bag? It's cute. I like it. What, baby? Yeah. Can we get out? Okay. go back to the tent?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, okay.
Okay, baby. That dog is weird. It's licking the same spot in the carpet over and over. Why? I don't get it. Do you? Oh. What, baby?
Yeah.